Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So today in this video we are going to learn how to log out your Google account from phone. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and if you have feedback, please write on comment. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my Android phone. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone, and I am showing the very simple way you can remove or log out Google account from your phone. So just go to the Gmail application. So this is Gmail application. If you don't have Gmail application, I will show you another of way. So first go to the Gmail application. Now you have to go in this your profile icon. If you don't have, okay, so profile icon, you can see the all emails ID, and now you have to just scroll down and click on manage account on this device, and here you can find your all Google accounts. Just click on Google accounts which you want to log out. So I just click on this one, and if you want to log out, I can remove account. Okay, just click on remove account. It will be comes pop up that that you are sure you are want to remove your account. Just click on remove. So it is only remove from your phone. It is not account, it is not deleting your account. Okay, you can log in again, or you can log in with another device. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I will show you the another way. Just go to setting, and you have to find the accounts option here. Just scroll down, or you can search here accounts, and this is my account option. Click on it, and you can see all your Google account. Just click which you want to log out, and just click on remove. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.